Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Pokemon mixed with PalWorld. All right, it's gonna be simple, easy for beginners. So let's jump right into this right now. Okay, let's go over how to draw a mixture of Pikachu and Grizzbolt from PalWorld. Okay, so PalWorld and Pokemon merge into one character. Okay, let's do it. It's gonna be simple, easy, 5 minutes. 5 minutes from now, you're gonna know how to do this, okay? So let's do it. So over here, let's walk through it. Gonna go here and draw a curve. Kind of thinking Pikachu's face a little bit on this one, a little bit. At least for the side of the face, got the chubby cheeks of Pikachu. But at the top, we're gonna go up here at the top, and that's gonna be a little bit of Grizzbolt. Right there, he's got that little hair at the top. And then go over here back, a little bit of like again roundness of Pikachu. So it kind of looks like an onion or something when you merge them together, which is really funny. Okay, let's go down now and curve and not make him like really big because he's kind of overweight, right? The character, the Grizzbolt. So I'm gonna make him kind of middle of the road there. All right, curve underneath for the underneath the body there, and we're gonna give the big arms of Grizzbolt, I would say. So curve right here, outward. It's curving outward, right? The arm, and the arm right here starts smaller and it gets bigger as it goes down. That's a very Grizzbolt thing. If you're a big PalWorld fan, by the way, or a Pokemon fan, say hey, what's up in the comments. I want to hear what it is that you're thinking. I want to say hey, what's up, how's it going? Curve down here for the foot, line over here for the rest of the foot. That's a very Grizzbolt foot. Down over here, up. So that's a very Grizzbolt thing too. We're gonna draw the spiked foot kind of Grizzbolt there. Downward right here, and we're gonna go the other foot over here. Right here, there's 3 kind of spikes around the feet there. And up. So what do we have so far? Let's recap real quick, okay? We have the head shape of Pikachu. He's a little bit slimmer like Pikachu, but he's got the arms and legs, kind of general body type of Grizzbolt. Out over here now for the far side arm. And line over here. Let's go over here for the ear. Up. Down. That's kind of Grizzbolt. Up over here. Down. Right there. And down. Alrighty. Cool. So far, so good. So let's keep moving. Gonna go over here, down, up for 1 claw, over here, and another. That's obviously Grizzbolt. Down over here, up, for the claw on the other side. So let's go over here. We're gonna give those claws their own coloration right there, you know. Same thing over here, the feet. Right there, okay? Okay, so far so good. So far so good. We're doing this, all right? Let's go over to the tail. Up for the Pikachu tail, up over here. Angle staircase, up over here. Big old square at the end. Right? Big old square. There we go. Sweet. So that's obviously very Pikachu. All right. And now we're making decisions as we go up and down this. I'm gonna give this pattern over here. That's a Pikachu pattern. But I'm gonna make it go up the arm, which is different. You know, that's because Grizzbolt has patterns on his arm. Over here on this side, they're peeking around the corner on that side. Same thing, that pattern. All right, so far so good. And I'm thinking the face. Oh man. Okay, it's gonna be a Pikachu face, I think. So over here, circle. Pull over here to the right, circle. And we're gonna fill in most of that. Most of it's gonna be dark, except for like a small highlight. That's a very Pikachu thing. But I want the mouth to be Grizzbolt. Okay, the mouth, he's got this giant smile. Dang, this is creepy. Line, line, line. And over here, we're gonna draw a, the nose right there, right? The animal nose. Wow. That is weird. That is really creepy. So, and then we're gonna go over here, and I want him to have the coloration on the stomach. So, curve over here. Make it all go all the way down, right there. And I do want a lightning bolt here because Grizzbolt does have a lightning bolt, but I want it to be smaller. So we got zigzag right there, down over here, zigzag right there. If you want, you can fill that in. And line over here, we're gonna give, I guess, the Pikachu color on the ears. And I guess you could do that here along the edge, but I think it'll just make the design a little bit too dark right now. But there you go. Let me know, what would be the name of this character? So it's Pikachu mixed with Grizzbolt. What would be the name of the character? Let me know in the description. I'm gonna pin the name that I like the most. Also, stick around. We're gonna do another drawing lesson together, okay? So I want you to stay with me and do another drawing lesson with me. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be chill, it's gonna be mellow. Let's get started right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's gonna be within the same theme, and you wanna keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.